This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to wrap text in Google Sheets. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell so that you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. In my last video, I showed you how to insert line breaks inside of a cell in Google Sheets. But as you can see here, especially in cell B4 and B5, the text spills over into the other cells. So we have options in Google Drive to make that more presentable. This is how you do that. The first thing that you do is you highlight the cells that you want to change, and I will just highlight all of them. Then you click on Format, and then you click on Wrapping. And here you have three options: Overflow, Wrap, and Clip. Currently, the default is to use the overflow, where the text spills over into the view of the other cells. So let's explore the other two options. When you click Format, Wrapping, and Wrap, the text will wrap around the border of the cell. So it will add additional lines of text so that all of your text is within that cell. The other option is called Clip, and what it will do is it will actually cut off the text in the cell. And if you want to view all of the text within the cell, you'd have to click that, and you can either view it up here or you can double click the cell itself and it'll make it bigger. I personally prefer to do the wrapping, so I'm going to go ahead and click Format, click Wrapping, and click Wrap so that my text is wrapped nice and neatly within the cell to be viewed very clearly. So this is how you wrap text in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.